Looking for low-maintenance perennials that will bring beauty to your garden year after year? Perennials are plants that bloom over the spring and summer, die back every autumn and winter, and then return in the spring from their rootstock. They're a fantastic choice for an effortless yet gorgeous garden. Stay tuned as we reveal our top 7 picks for low-maintenance perennials. At number 1, we have the vibrant daylilies. These perennials are renowned for their hardiness, flourishing in a variety of climates. They bloom in an array of colors, making them an easy choice for a low-maintenance yet colorful garden. Daylilies are a surefire way to add a splash of color to your garden. Next up, we have the robust and beautiful coneflowers. These hardy perennials are a pollinator's paradise, attracting bees and butterflies aplenty. With their drought tolerance and lengthy bloom periods, coneflowers are an excellent choice for a lively and low-maintenance garden. Third on our list is the fragrant Russian sage. With a remarkable ability to resist drought, this perennial blooms attractive blue-purple flowers. Even in poor soils, it thrives, making it an exceptional choice. Russian sage is a perfect pick for a hardy and aromatic garden. Sedum, also known as stonecrop, takes the 4th spot on our list. Its succulent leaves and ability to withstand harsh conditions make it a garden warrior. Not to mention, its appealing late summer to fall flowers are a sight to behold. Sedum is a versatile perennial that will add interest to your garden throughout the year. 5th on our list are the shade-loving hostas. With their wide variety of sizes and beautiful foliage, these perennials are a delight to any garden. Minimal care is required, making them perfect for the busy gardener. Hostas are a fantastic option for adding lushness to your shade garden. Coming in at number 6 are the sunny black-eyed Susans. These bright yellow blooms are a magnet for pollinators, bringing your garden to life. They're also remarkably adaptable, tolerating a range of soil conditions. Black-eyed Susans are sure to brighten up your garden with their cheerful blooms. Last but certainly not least are the luxurious peonies. These perennials flaunt their showy spring flowers, bringing elegance to any garden. Remarkably long-lived, peonies require minimal care, thriving in many conditions. Peonies are a classic choice for a beautiful and low-maintenance garden. There you have it, 7 low-maintenance perennials for an effortlessly beautiful garden. Daylilies, coneflowers, Russian sage, sedum, hostas, black-eyed Susans, and peonies each bring unique charm and simplicity. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!